Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into tracking task completion trends with TODOIST Karma. It's your complete 2025 guide on how to stay on top of your productivity and crush your goals. First things first, open your Todoist app and head to the Karma section. You'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. This is where we'll be able to view our productivity trends. The reason we start here is because TODOIST Karma is a unique feature that tracks your task management and gives you visual data about your productivity. Now that we've done that, let's focus on the main chart. Here, you can see your completed tasks and productivity score over time. Look for the Show Completed Tasks option and click on that. This helps us because it allows us to visually track the number of tasks we've completed over a certain period. Next up, you'll want to adjust the time frame. You can choose to view your data from the last week, the last month, or even the last year. This is crucial because it allows us to see our productivity trends over different periods and analyze our progress. Let me explain why this matters. With these trend insights, you can identify when you're most productive and plan your tasks accordingly. You can use this data to optimize your schedule and work habits. The next step is to examine your Karma points. Todoist Karma awards you points for completing tasks, using advanced features, and maintaining productivity streaks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist uses gamification to motivate you to stay productive. It's a fun and interactive way to keep your productivity levels high. Finally, check out the Karma Trends section. You'll see your productivity score broken down by projects, labels, and days of the week. This section is important because it provides a more granular view of your productivity. It helps you understand which projects or tasks you're spending most of your time on and on which days you're most productive. And that's it. You've now learned how to track your task completion trends using Todoist Karma. With these insights, you can streamline your productivity and stay on top of your tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep crushing those tasks.